Okay. Now children, suppose if I say, let's take an example. I'm going to write something on the here. I have these 3 digits with me, 5, 3 and 2. These are all separate digits. Okay. Now if I say that make smallest possible number using all the digits only once. You have to use all these digits only once, and you have to get the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, very good, Pranavi and Udipan. You people are right. It is 235. So children, how do we create smallest number whenever the digits are given and we have to create? No, don't speak in between. When ma'am is speaking, don't interrupt. Okay. In order to create smallest number, we arrange the digits in ascending order or increasing order. So 2 is the smallest one, then comes 3 and then comes 5. So if I write 235, it becomes 235 and that is the smallest 3-digit number. If I have to make the greatest 3-digit number using the same digits, I will have to arrange the digits in descending order. So the biggest number is 5, then comes 3 and then comes 2. So the greatest 3-digit number using these digits only once would be 532. Correct. I can see Mukund and Boy Bobby answering me. Okay, Udipan, what is the doubt? You're raising hand. Udipan?
Ma'am, no doubts.
No doubts. Ishanvi, you are raising hand.
Ma'am, by accident, no doubts.
Okay, okay. So please, I'm just repeating myself to make you make this thing clear to all of you. Whenever we have to create the smallest number using the digits given to us, we always arrange them in ascending order or increasing order. Whenever we have to create the greatest number using the digits given to us, we always arrange them in descending order or the decreasing order. Now, do you see the example? Let me clear the screen first. Do you see these digits 5103? When we were asked to write the greatest number possible, then what did we do? We arranged them in descending order. 5 is greatest, then comes 3, then comes 1, and then comes 0. So 5310 is the greatest 4-digit number. But when I say make smallest 4-digit number using this, what will you do? If you arrange them in ascending order, it is 0, then 1, then 3, and then 5. Right? But am I getting a 4-digit number by writing this?
Ma'am. No,
this is a 3-digit number.
It's a 3-digit number.
So
zero has no value.
0 has no value. So what I will do, I will have to interchange the place of these numbers so that the number remains smaller only. It doesn't become a big number. In place of 0, I'm going to write 1. In place of 1, I'm going to write 0. Rest of the digits will remain the same. Now, does it look like a 4-digit number?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So children, always make sure that when zeros are involved, you might do a mistake. Okay. So if I say 0135, it is not a 4-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. But in order to create the smallest 4-digit number, I have to make it 1035. Right? Okay. Somebody is writing in the chat box. Did I ask you to write it in the chat box? Okay, fine. No problem. Okay, we have already discussed this. Here is a mistake. Greatest 1-digit number is 9. Greatest 2-digit number is 99. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. There should be one more 9 here. Greatest 4-digit number is 9,999 and greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Then smallest 1-digit number is 1, smallest 2-digit number is 10, smallest 3-digit number is 100, smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Now children, coming back to the sheet, the other one. Now you people can do question number 6 easily and question number 7 also from the same sheet. I'm not changing the sheet.
Ma'am, I have done the question number 6.
Smallest number and the greatest number. Should I do write 5 in the smallest number and write 6 and 9 in the bigger greatest number?
Mukund, ask me again.
How should I do the smallest number and the greatest number?
Okay, let me explain. See, nobody will speak in between. Wait, let me answer Mukund's query. Mukund, do you see the digits in the A part? 965, right? In order to create smallest number, arrange them in ascending order. What will you get?
Five, 6, 9.
So it is 569. And in order to create the greatest number, arrange them in descending order. What do you get?
In descending order, in the greatest number,
965. Same digits only. We are not changing the digits. We are using same digits. Okay. So in order to create smallest number, we arrange them in ascending order. So it becomes 569, which means 569. And when we have to create greatest number, we will arrange them in descending order. That means 965. So it becomes 965.
Ma'am, do we have to do it right now?
Wait. Is it clear, Mukund? Mukund, is the doubt clear?
But where should I write 965?
You can do it in the notebook now later on.
No, I took the printout, so I can write in there.
Yeah, you can write. Yeah. Now, who was asking, do we have to do it right now?
Kian.
No, Kian, not right now. Okay, this is what I'm giving you for practice work. This is practice work. You have to do question number 2 and 3, 99 parts of those 99 parts of those 2 questions, and then you have to do question number 6 and 7 also as practice work.
Ma'am, I have to ask you something before. What does digits mean?
Digits we use for single digit numbers, bacha. We use the word digit when it is a single number.
Like what?
Like 0 to 9, 0 is a single digit, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 10, it becomes a 2-digit number. It is no more a single digit number.
But there are no digits in the thing you gave us. Except 0.
Yeah, these are digits. Digits means there is a comma in between. So they are separated by comma.
Yeah.
So that is why 9 is a separate digit, 6 is a separate digit, and 5 is a separate digit. Okay, this is not a number. You have to create number by removing the commas and arranging them in order.
Ma'am, this is Mukund. In the smallest number, I should write 569, and in the greatest number, I should write 965.
Correct. Okay, Rebanta, now you can ask.
Yes, ma'am, I am asking that, ma'am, how can we write that in the smallest form of F?
Smallest form of?
Means the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, the last one of 6.
Last one of 6. Are you talking about digits 9, 0, 3 and 6?
Yes, ma'am.
The smallest number will be, see, if I arrange them in ascending order, what will I get? 0, 3, 6, 9?
Yes, but
that becomes a 3-digit number. So in order to make it a 4-digit number, it is 3069.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. And the greatest will be 9630.
Okay,
Mama, I
ma'am.
have a question.
Yes, Kian.
Do we get 25 minutes for second, third, sixth, and seventh, all for 25?
No. For these two questions, you can take 10 more minutes. So in total, you should take 35 minutes to solve it, or maximum 40 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay?
Okay.
Yes, who is it, ma'am?
can you scroll?
You want me to scroll? Bacha, don't take pictures. You will receive it.
Ma'am, now what do we do?
Nothing. The time is up. So we can't do anything.
Ma'am, 1 minute is left.
Yeah, in 1 minute. In 1 minute, let me see your faces. No. Is there any more doubt?
Ma'am?
No.
No.
Who is missing from the class today? Who was there last time but not there this time? Is there anyone missing? The last time it was showing 18 participants. Today it is showing 17 participants. Why?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
One person is absent.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think
What happened, Ribanta? Speak up. It's 8:15. Hurry up. I can't extend class every time.
I don't feel like leaving for some reason.
You don't feel like leaving? Who don't feel like leaving?
Me, ma'am.
Who?
I don't
Who is-
feel like leaving. I feel like learning still.
Who is saying I don't feel like leaving? What is your name?
Ishanvi.
Ishanvi. Okay, Ishanvi, you can come to my place. We'll have party. You can come to my place. Okay, if you don't feel like leaving, you can come to my place.
I don't even know your place.
Okay, I'll message you my address so that everybody, otherwise everyone will come. Right? But I can't extend, what I can do is I can start 2 minutes early so that everybody starts by, so that we can start the class by 7. But I can't.
Pranavi has a little party tent back of her.
What?
It looks like Pranavi has like a party tent back of her.
Yeah, even I can see. Chalo children, now I have to go. I will meet you on Saturday now at 7. Okay. Make sure that you try and do as much as of practice work that you can do. I mean, that what I have given you as a part of homework. Okay? So now I'll see you on Saturday at 7. Okay?
bye, ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye bye. See you.
Bye,
Bye
ma'am.
bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.